Hey, how's it going? Zero Day J here. It's Tuesday, December 19th. Um, it's 4:43 Eastern time. The market's still open, but I've been done trading for a couple hours and I have to run out somewhere. And I wanted to give you an update on how today went. And if I don't, by the time I get back, Trade Evade will have reset because the next trading day is going to start in a little over an hour. So I wanted to be able to show you how I did before it reset. So here we are. Here's funded account number 4. That doesn't mean I have 4 funded accounts. It means this is my 4th funded account because I messed up the other 3, right? So anyway, but I'm up 1,125 overall, and I think that's after 2 days of trading. I've had it since Friday. Yeah, I believe Friday I got it. Or maybe Friday was the first day. I don't remember. I'm on the second or third day. But I'm up 488 today. I was up. I did this earlier in the morning, um, and I was like, you know what? I'm done. Right? That's a good day. It's a great day. I'm up $1,125 overall. That's also great. So why not? Why poke the bear and somehow mess that up? So I left it alone. Also traded in funded account number 5, which as of right now is my second funded account. So I have 2 active funded accounts. This is the first day. I did $571. So really good day. Very happy with that. Got a long way to go. Really, obviously the goal is to make it to actual withdrawal day. You need to qualify for withdrawals to get actual real money, right? Otherwise, what's the point? And every time, the biggest thing you know, that you lose when you get to this point where you fund an account and you have it growing. Like I had one of my funded accounts up to $2,200, and I was on like day 7 or 8. The biggest thing you lose is time because then you have to then you have to pass a new eval, which could right now, yeah, you could pass it in one day, but you got to trade like an idiot to do it. But so just expect it to take a little longer, especially if you're new and learning at this. When you lose all that time, it takes you the time to get to pass the eval. Then you got to start, and then you got to trade, 10 days, 10 consecutive days between withdrawal periods. So like you literally lose weeks. So I'm tired of losing that time. I want to start building accounts and getting actual money. So try to be more intelligent about this and not be as reckless. And we'll see. So far so good. Anyway, that's where I'm at. 48 in this account. What's crazy is I was done trading. So 48 here, 571 here. Awesome days, right? But what's crazy is I was done trading in those accounts. I have another account somewhere else with my business partner, but I don't share it because it's not just mine, right? But literally, I missed this entire move. Like the market dumped. This is like right before the close too. This is the last half hour, the last 20 minutes. The market dropped down to the NQs, 16,989.50, and ran all the way from there till 1629. 17, I can't see it. Hold on, 1 sec. 1729.50. It was a 40-point move. And I didn't capitalize on any of that with my 2 funded accounts. Man, even if I got in one NQ and rolled that all the way up, it would have been like $500-600. But whatever, it happens. You can't catch every move. Is it a little disappointed that I missed it? Yeah, like I was working on something else. I wasn't working on my accounts. So either way, whatever. Great day. But you got to look. These are the moves you wait for. You wait for this type of setup, and you couldn't get over. Well, this is. Let me show you my. Actually, this is the quant view. This is all this quant view. All this stuff you see is the quant view paid indicator, which is a great tool. But see here, it kept doing the same. Like it did it like 2 or 3 times in a row. You see this? It fell below the 200 and the 300 on the 1 minute. Then came back over it. It looked like we had some inverted head and shoulders action going here, but it just couldn't get over it. There was a fractal here. Like this is what's called a fractal. It's like one of the lines of it's a trend line in the channel. It just couldn't get over it. So I kept hitting it here. And then it just couldn't get over it, and then we dumped back down. but we were making higher lows. So that's always a good sign. And it came back up, popped to the top of the channel again. The channel disappeared because now we had a new channel, got a new trend line got drawn because of this pop. But it was like it took 3 times. But once again, the low was higher than the last low. You see here? Here's the first low. Here's the first low, right? Robert Anderson always says, look to the left. Here's the first low. Here's the second low. It's higher than the last low. The first low was 16,984.50. The second low was 16,986.75. Yeah, granted, it's not a ton higher, but it's a higher low. And then the third low was 16,989.50, and then it finally popped and ran into close like crazily. This is the close again, 40 points, like monster move. So that's what you just got to keep an eye on, that type of stuff. You know, kept going underneath the 200 and 300. This is the 377 right here. It's like the last line of defense. It popped under it and then just came right back over it, and the same thing happened here. Got back over the 200, 300, and the 200. The 300 is the orange line. The 200 is the red line. You know, and then we have some other moving averages in here. I have the 8, 21, the 34. This is the 21, the green line. The 34 is this. I think it's this one. Yeah, this is the 34. It's the white line. It's easy to get all this confused, but I know what I'm looking at because I've been using those moving averages for a while. I see the market still kind of, but it's just been going sideways since like after the first 15 minutes. After the stock market closes, like there's some activity there, and then it kind of just goes sideways for the rest of the day. Usually nothing really happens. So anyway, good overall, good day. Hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you're moving in the right direction as well. Feel free to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you are subscribed, thank you. I only have 7 at this moment, but looking, it'll be exciting when I get to 70, right? Looking at 10x my subscriber count. But I'll just keep making these videos, hopefully to inspire someone. And if you want to take a shot with Apex, learn how to become a futures trader and get funded, my link with the best possible discount code attached to it is in the description below the video or off to the side, depending on how you're watching this. And Apex right now, it's December 19th, so Apex is still running the get funded, pass your eval and get funded in 1 day special. That's going on until the 27th, I believe. So, try to get funded in 1 day. Get 2 accounts, take one serious, be more conservative in one, and then maybe on the other one you go get a little crazy and aggressive and just take monster positions to try and pass in 1 day. But I wouldn't recommend it unless you know what you're doing. But anyway, yeah, click my link. Why not? Support the channel. Either way, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.